Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Friday and I don't know, it's spring break and I haven't really done anything all week. Like literally, like I've just been at home every day not doing nothing. So I just feel like that I just wanted to get up and put some clothes on and take myself out for a day. I don't know, I'm always going out by myself, so I decided to do that today because I woke up feeling kind of like weird, I guess. I don't know, I just don't feel like myself. I don't know if it's because of the food I've been eating, maybe, but I just feel really sad and down, and that's not usually me. So I was like, I'm about to get cute and take myself out for lunch and go to the mall, buy something, I don't know. So that's what I'm about to do now. So we're just gonna do a get ready with me, and I'm gonna be recording all weekend. So I'm gonna do like kind of like a weekend vlog type thing. So yeah, let's get to it. I crumpled my hair. My wig head is over here. I did a video on this bob, so I just put some crinkles in it. So we're gonna see how that look, because I didn't really like the wig at first. It was looking kind of flat and ugly, and I like full hair. So we're gonna see how that wig look. But anyway, I'm about to just do my eyebrows and put a little makeup on, do my hair, get dressed, and go out for a good Friday. So let's get to it. My skin is doing freaky. I don't know, like it's like 1 week my skin looks beautiful and my chin has never broken out this much. I don't know if it's because of the mask or what, but my chin has never looked like this ever, and it's really irritating me because my skin is not even that bad. I don't have bad skin, so for me to have all these like blemishes on my chin is just annoying me. Like it's literally annoying me, literally. So this is the wig. I'm about to crimp the sides of it because that needs to be done ASAP. I got this barrel off Amazon. I'll try to link it down below so y'all can see, but this thing is huge, like huge, okay? Like huge. I'm gonna go put on my clothes, let this dry, and then I'll be back. So this is what I ended up doing with my hair. I really didn't have time, and nor did I really care about doing anything else to it other than like putting it up like this. I think it's real cute, just for like, you know, a day on the town by myself. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and I'll show you my outfit later. I really just have on something really baggy but cute. So this is what I have on. This wrinkly dinkly white shirt that I love to wear, some green like comfortable tights, and like my clear black sandals with this what is this, jean jacket. So it's not that much, but it's simple, cute, just to go out and enjoy myself for today. Nothing too much, but I think I might change this top though, but I'm not sure, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, so I definitely changed my top. I got this shirt from Shein. It's really cute, and I think it just goes well with my pants. So yeah, let's go. Happy Friday. Hey y'all, so I decided that I wanted to go to the Cheesecake Factory. I love Cheesecake Factory. It's my favorite place, and I've really been craving like some sweet potato fries, and they have the best sweet potato fries to me. I don't know, but that's where we're going now. And then I'll probably just go browse at the mall because it's literally like right there. I'm gonna have a good Friday. besides the fact that I was feeling like BS this morning, I'm gonna have a good day, and I'm not gonna let nothing stop me from having a good Friday. You know, like, I'm blessed, I'm happy, I got money in my bank account. Like, why not have a good day? Like, spoil yourself, like, go to eat, go get lunch for yourself. Like, self-love, self-care, like, that is so important to me. And I am a true believer of self-love and self-care. Like, those two things go hand in hand with me. Like, I'm gonna take care of myself before anything else. So that's what I'm gonna do now, because I'm rich, I'm wealthy, and I'm blessed, and I'm beautiful, and ain't nobody finna tell me any different. So here's my food. I got the grilled chicken avocado club. Looks really, really good. It got bacon on it too, but I'm gonna take some of that off because I don't like pork like that. She forgot to give me my sweet potato fries. She's gonna bring the side of sweet potato fries. I got my Shirley Temple right there and my water. So we about to dig into this food on this great Friday, and yeah, let's eat. Hey y'all, so I just came in the mall to like walk off some of this Cheesecake Factory. I'm trying to keep my mask on and my glasses, so I don't want nobody looking at me. But we're in the mall. I think I'm about to go to Forever 21 and see what I can find at like Charlotte Russe or something like that. But yeah, I will talk to you all later. So I'm in my favorite place right now. This place is called Louise, and they have like a lot of like earrings and necklaces and stuff like that. So I just come here for my dainty jewelry, and I got some of these. Well, I'm about to get some of these right now because I like them so much. But they have like everything, literally everything. So let's see what they have in here today. Hi guys, so I just got home and I want to show y'all what I got from the mall. It's like 11 something right now. I was at my GG house. They barbecuing tomorrow, so that's what we gonna be, period. Okay, so I just want to show y'all what I got from the jewelry place that I went to, Louisa. I just got like some real cute earrings. These are silver. Let me see if I can. There we go. These are silver and they're just so pretty. I got some small ones and then some big ones, and then I got some like gold ones. They're all CZ, so like, you know, they cheap, but they not. You got what I'm saying, right? Okay. Okay, so that's what I got from Louisa. And then from Forever 21, I went to Forever 21. I just found like 3 shirts. I really been looking for some graphic tees, so I found 2 of those. But then I saw this white shirt. It was so cute. It has like the sleeves on it, and it's like kind of sort of crop top. I thought this was really cute. They didn't have a price on this, so they gave it to me for $5. So, and then the other 2 shirts I got. This one has the Mean Girls on it. So cute. So it's kind of big. I got it in like this is a small, I'm sorry, this is a medium large. So it's gonna be like kind of big on me, but that's okay because I can just tie it up or like wear it oversized, so that ain't nothing. And then the last one I got is this Feminism AF. That's what this is. So yeah, it's just real cute. I got this in a small, medium. Yeah, this is a small. And so all of these shirts was like $5 because they had like a sale or whatever like that. But yeah, I'm about to undress, take a shower, and then go to sleep because I have to wake up in the morning. So I want to wake up in the morning and go work out in the morning before I go back to my Gigi house. So yeah, talk to y'all tomorrow morning for Saturday's activities. Hope y'all have a happy, blessed, healthy night, day, weekend, whatever like that. And yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So it is Saturday morning and I'm on my way back to my Gigi house because my Power End was teaching me how to make red beans and rice. So we're on our way back there. I just want to show you what I had on. Just this white shirt and some black sweats with my shoes. They look pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I have on. And I'll talk to y'all later when I get there. Good morning guys. So it's Sunday morning. I'm outside with the doggies. My brother brought home a puppy that is a husky. And then I have my Bella here, my baby. She's a Chihuahua and a Pomeranian mix. I'm outside with them to make sure that they use the restroom so that they won't use it in the house. But yesterday was really fun. Sorry if my face looked crusty. I did brush my teeth and wash my face, so don't talk about me. But yesterday was fun. I enjoyed myself at my Gigi and my parent house. I'm sorry I didn't get no footage from yesterday because it was just really like, you know, family time. So yeah, but I'm about to make some breakfast tacos because I've been craving them like all weekend. I went to the store yesterday, got some eggs and potatoes. So we about to make some breakfast tacos after I get outside with them. But today I'm not really doing nothing. I was gonna go to church, but I woke up late. So I had to do my, you know, church at home, which is not a problem. But I have to go to a baby shower today because my friend's sister is having a little girl, so she's having a baby shower today. So we're gonna be doing that later. But yeah, today's gonna be a great day. It's so pretty outside and it's sunny. So I will talk to y'all later.
And when you wash your hands with the situation, y'all know it's a process. You have to mentally accept that this thing, I cannot fix this thing. I cannot work out this problem. I cannot come back from this. This thing is just too much. I just decided that I'm going to wash my hands with this. And this is God coming against our knowledge, coming against our own understanding, coming against what we think is best and saying, I understand what your logic tells you, but can you listen to what my word is telling you? Do you trust what I'm saying over what you're seeing? Do you trust my word over what you see in this world? Which one are you going to decide to let lead you? He's...
Hey guys, here's my outfit. That's what I have on today. Some blue jeans, some brown sandals. They have gold accent in them. I have my brown bag with the gold accent. And then I have this white shirt. It's like slit on the side and I just tied the front. Then I have on some high-waisted jeans. And yeah. Hi guys, so it's a drive-through baby shower. So I'ma go give her her gift through the drive-through baby shower thing, and then I'm gonna go to the store because I really wanted to find some more shirts like this one. They got like the tie in the front. So if I can't stay, I'm gonna go to the store. But I also have to go back to my Gigi house because sorry if y'all can't hear me, I got the air on, because I gotta drop off my mama paperwork for her. My Gigi do taxes, so that's one of her side jobs that she does. And so I gotta go there too, then I'm gonna go to the store. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I'm watching Snowfall right now. It's almost 9 o'clock. I just finished eating some Cheesecake Factory. This is the same stuff that I got the other day from Cheesecake Factory. I just really wanted it again because it was so good. My little avocado grilled chicken sandwich, yeah, it was bomb. So I'm eating that right now and I'm watching Snowfall. I love Snowfall, y'all. Like, Snowfall is so good. Like, especially like right now, it's really, really good. If y'all don't watch Snowfall, go watch it because it's really good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I just wanted to come on here and let y'all know what I was doing. I did go to the store earlier to find some stuff for my trip, so I'll probably show y'all that later when I go back in my room. But other than that, yeah, the girl just chilling. I'm gonna take a shower and stuff later. But if I don't talk to y'all later, I just want to say I had a great day, a great weekend, and everything went great. I had fun, and yeah, so talk to y'all later. Bye.
The comics have Leon's print.